Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science and tech for UPSC. First, thoroughly understand the syllabus to identify key areas. Next, prioritize current affairs, as many questions link to recent developments. Finally, build a solid foundation in basic science from school-level textbooks. This initial step is crucial for grasping complex topics later on. Dedicate time to these fundamentals before moving to advanced studies. Now, let's look at core study areas and resources. Focus on high-yield topics such as biotechnology, space technology, and defense advancements. For reliable information, refer to standard textbooks and government reports, which provide authentic data. Supplement this with reputable online resources and daily news sources to stay updated. This balanced approach ensures comprehensive coverage and accuracy in your preparation. For effective study, creating concise notes is essential for quick revision, especially for complex scientific topics. It helps condense vast information into manageable summaries. Additionally, practicing previous year's questions is vital to understand the exam pattern and question types. Consistent and regular revision of all concepts ensures long-term retention, preventing you from forgetting crucial details during the exam. Finally, staying updated with daily science and tech news is paramount. Make it a habit to read from multiple reliable sources. Crucially, connect these current events to the static topics in your syllabus. This contextual understanding deepens your knowledge. Regularly attempting mock tests is also key to evaluating your preparation level, identifying weak areas, and improving time management for the actual examination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.